mga You Raise Me Out, saka Vanderborn ni Rasset. Yan ang huling-huli kong kakantahin ng last song na yun. Ha? Wala na akong may. Teka. Alam ako pa. Ano, naka-ready na ba? Ulitin ko nga, take. May umekse na pa. Bali ang kakantahin ko naman ng last song, Vanderborn, saka You Raise Me Out. Kanta naman ni Rasset at Westlife ni George Goldstone. Bali yan ang huli-huli kong dalawang love song na Netflix. Every day, I usually feel the smile, I love the hide away. When I love the heart, we could wish for my heart, the feeling of my heart. Every day, I look into the sun, somehow still wants the but the love now is the window of my to the ticket of my life. Yes, it's so wonderful. But Diana in my hand, she's so wonderful. But I don't understand. I could never hurt the one I love. It's always gone. She's so wonderful. But I don't understand, she's so beautiful. But I could never hurt the one I love. She's so alive, she's so vulnerable. My baby, she's vulnerable. And I don't cry when dawn grows so worry and troubles come, and my heart very beat. Now and see. I'm waiting in the silence until you come to say bye with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk a stormy sea. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk a stormy sea. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. Maraming sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Link pa ba?
Pwede na yun. Save mo na. Iyaano ko na sa YouTube.